Today I'm going to show you how to tape a thumb. First we start with pre-wrap and we're going to go around. And once we get to here, I'm going to add a thumb spica and finish it off, middle of the hand. And we're going to go back up. And get rid of this tension here. Okay, next we're going to add some anchors. About 2 or 3, depending on the size of the hand. And we're going to put one anchor in the middle of the hand. Okay. So next, I'm going to add an anchor to the thumb. We're just going to put it on lightly, no tension. Okay, so next we're going to add banana strips, also using the 1-inch tape. So we're going to add banana strips from the thumb anchor all the way to the wrist anchor. And we add about anywhere from 4 to 6 anchor or banana strips. And you just kind of mold as you go. Okay, so once we added the banana strips, we're going to add C strips. Okay, so after the C strips, I'm going to add some horseshoes to it. Using the 1-inch taping. And we'll add 2 horseshoes here. Okay. So next we're going to add a Lawrence strip. So with the 1.5-inch taping, I'll tear off about 4 to 5 inches, and with the Lawrence strip, we'll tear it in half almost around the edges. So after we do that, we're going to add the Lawrence strip inside the webbing of the thumb. Kind of get the right angle. Then you're going to apply the top half first. Once you get that applied, just kind of conform everything from the bottom. Okay. So after the Lawrence strip, we're going to add spicas. Also using the, well, we'll be using the 1-inch for the spicas. I grabbed the 1.5-inch by mistake. This is the 1-inch. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add one more. Okay. So after the spicas, I'm going to add more C-strips to kind of close the spicas. Okay. Then after the C-strips, I'm going to add more horseshoes using the 1-inch shaping. Okay. Then after that, we're going to add a circular strip around the wrist. Then for that, after that, I'm going to add a spica figure 8 strip using the 1-inch. And for this one, you're going to have to kind of get the angle just right to kind of get it around the thumb. Just like that. And you should end where you started. And kind of mold everything. And lastly, this is an option too. You can add light plastic to it to kind of give a more uniform kind of cover up all the fray or any wrinkles. It just looks more better aesthetically. Again, kind of wrap it around the thumb. Come back around. And you should end on where the athlete can see it, and you'll just add a strip to secure it in place. Okay, one last molding, and that right there is how you tape for a thumb.